know, Costa Rica, I want to know something. Are you brave enough? When people have an opinion about who you are, who you love, who you fuck, what you eat, your religion, I want to know if you can be brave enough to not care. Because you know what? I grew up my whole life in New York City, and this leather, and these fishnets, and these boots, they make me who I am. So when I first came out onto the scene and everybody was saying, who the fuck is this girl with her crazy clothes and her weird hair, and she moves like this? I used to think to myself, you know what, I wouldn't change any of it because I know who the fuck I am. And if they don't like what I do, it's okay because all my friends like what I do, and that's the only people I want to hang out with anybody, right? So what I want to know is, Costa Rica, are you brave enough? No matter gay, straight, bi, transgender, transsexual, your color, your religion, your age. When they have an opinion about you, what I want to know is, do you give a fuck? I didn't think you did, and you know why? Because Costa Rica, you's just a bunch of bad kids.